In the 19th century, explorers in the heart of the Amazon rainforest stumbled upon a discovery that defied all logic. Hidden beneath the dense canopy were ancient Egyptian sculptures, their intricate carvings and hieroglyphs untouched by time. Mystified by this enigma, archaeologists from around the world converged, united by a burning desire to uncover the truth. They formed a secret alliance, piecing together clues that suggested an ancient connection between two seemingly disparate worlds. Their findings hinted at a lost civilization, one that bridged continents and time, weaving a tapestry of mystery that continues to baffle and inspire.